Hello, my little mathematicians. Today, I'm going to help you get started on your mean absolute deviation homework. Okay, so mean absolute deviation, aka MAD, okay, stands for first off, you have to find the mean value of your data set. Okay, so let's go ahead and do that. I'm going to start number 2 with you. Remember, you can always pause, try the video yourself, and then come back and join us and unpause it. Okay, so you paused it, you did it, now you're back with us. So you found the mean by adding all these together and dividing by how many there were. 1, 2, 3, 4. Okay. So when you add all these, what do you get? Go ahead and type those in. Okay, and when you add them, you got 264. And then you divided by, there's 4 numbers in the data set. What'd you get? Yeah, 66. So you have a mean value of 66. Now what you want to do is you want to find the mean or average of the absolute value of how far each individual value in the data set differs or deviates from that mean value of 66. So what you're going to do is you're going to first off write down each number in the data set. So you have a 68, a 70, a 64, and a 62. And then you want to know the deviation or distance that each of those is from the mean. Okay, so my mean I just found was 66. And the absolute stands for absolute value because even if when you subtract it, you get a negative number, it's talking about a distance that it is away from the mean. So distance is always positive. So it's the absolute value of it. So what is 68 minus 66? It's 2. 70 minus 66 is 4. And 64 minus 66, technically it's negative 2, but we're going to say 2 because 66 minus 64 is 2. We're finding the positive or absolute value of the distance. 66 minus 62 is also 4. So those are all the distances that each individual value in the data set is from the mean. And what you want to do is you want to find the mean value of those distances. So now I'm going to add all those together, and I get 6, 7, 8, 12. Okay, and you take that total, and remember, you're finding the average. So there's 4 numbers in the data set that you found the distance of. And when you do 12 divided by 4, you get 3. Okay, so your mean absolute deviation is 3. Hopefully you got that right. Okay, you're going to do the same thing for 1 and 3. And then number 4, you're going to try to explain what it means to have a big or small MAD value. Okay, now number 6, you have this data set. Okay, same thing. You want to know, circle all the names of the students who did it correct. Okay, so they're talking about the mean and the total deviation and the absolute deviation, which is the MAD. Okay, so that means we need to first start off with finding that mean value. So go ahead and pause the video and try to find that. Okay, well, when you added all those numbers together, what'd you get? Yeah, you got 72. And how many numbers were there? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. Okay, so when you do 72 divided by 8, what do you get? You got a mean value of 9. Well, Evelyn said the mean of the data set is 9. She is correct. Okay, now what you're going to do is you need to find the total deviation and then find the mean of those deviations. So you need to make yourself a little table. Okay, you have 8, 4, 16, 10, 5, 11, 15, and 3. And you need to find out how far each of those values differ from 9. So 9 minus 8 is 1. 9 minus 4 is 5. 9 minus 16. Okay, you're going to figure that out and you're going to keep going. And then just like before what we did, you're going to take all those and add them together. That's the total deviation. And then you're going to divide by how many there are to find the mean absolute deviation. So maybe all of them are correct, or maybe only Evelyn and Nova, or maybe only Evelyn is right. I don't know. You have to go ahead and try to finish this problem and figure that out. I have the utmost faith in you. You're going to do great.